only 6 a.m. right now. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 15. I've been up for half an hour now. I did my hair because it was like super duper frizzy and I had to put some dry shampoo in it. And I used, well, I ran out of my normal stuff, which I wasn't a huge fan of anyways. It was this stuff. I got to be rocking it Forever Stay Style dry shampoo. Then I tried the Batiste dry shampoo for the dark brown hair color. And if you don't spray it, wherever you spray it, there's like a brown stuff that stays there. So I got that all over my forehead today. Luckily it washed off pretty well, but that was just kind of annoying. So I have to get up super early today because we have to go to physio today, and the weather was really bad, so it's gonna take us twice as long to get there, so we had to wake up super early. And I didn't fall asleep till after 2:30, 3 o'clock, and my alarm was screaming at me at 5:30 this morning, so that was fun. But my hair was super frizzy, so I got to put it in like a decently big braid. So let's do Vlogmas Day 15 before I leave. There's my suitcase all packed to go to my friend's house today. Speaking is not my forte today, apparently. Oh, this must be another color pop lipstick. Completely forgot that I'd put some of this stuff in here. Ooh, what color is this gonna be? It is Trap. Everyone's like, focus, but it's Trap. Well, that's pretty, but I think I'm gonna leave it here for home, at home for right now, just because I have a lot of brown color with me. So I'm gonna get dressed and maybe talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Just kidding, I am not going to physio today. We made it to the outskirts of town and then we're like, nope, and like came back because the visibility right now is like so bad because it's so windy that like, and like we're to go where I need to go, we have to go out in the country, so like there's nothing to block the snow from like blowing, so you just like it blows right up and you cannot see. And like one of the big cities near us, they're like calling snow plows back because the visibility is so bad, and they're like, yeah, basically that town, like it's not, like we're like all the schools are canceling, buses are canceled. Like we tried and we were like, nope. And I thought we were gonna ditch the car like 3 times just trying to get back into town, and it was like maybe 100 feet we had to go. Like less than a kilometer at least. And like I thought we were gonna ditch the car 3 times because we could not see and like did not know where the road was, and I was like, thank God I am not driving because I would have probably ditched the car so many times just trying to get back into town. It was okay when we were in town, but like the transport trucks had been pulling over on the side of the road and got their 4-ways on, so you know it's like bad. Because we live out in like the country, like we're in a small town, so like the country is all around us, so it's like brutal. So I'm not going with my friends today, and possibly not at all this weekend. It might be pushed to Monday to when I go to my friend's house. We'll see. But I also am running out of milk, so we need to get some more milk, and I picked a great day to be out of milk. I'm going back to bed because I only got like 2.5 hours of sleep, so yeah. Again, I feel like the Vlogmas videos are going to be even more delayed now. I'll try to upload some of them this weekend, but I just woke up from a nap, so I look a little bit disheveled. I slept for a good couple hours. I think it's 11 now, and I think I went to bed around 8, so I've had some decent little bit more amount of sleep, but I just want to go and see my friend. I woke up and I was like, I don't want to be there with them now. I'm so... Look, I look whenever Maps is gone. I'm like, where'd everybody go? But I still feel like it's still super windy out, and we probably won't be able to go today. Which sucks. I really wanted to see them. But, you know, we gotta be safe. Safety first. No selfishness here, Jenna. But, yeah, I'm feeling better after a nap. although my head still hurts. My head always hurts. So I painted my nails last night. Ooh, aren't they so pretty? Ratchet? Haha. Because I didn't clean the nail polish off because I did them last night and then went to bed right after. So yeah. I don't want to pack anything either. Oh, my family's here. We're holding hands. Oh, he's not happy with me. He's a grumpy boy. He's not happy. Don't want to cuddles. I want to cuddles on the ground. He's like barely not even hanging on. Like his bottom foot down here is just like chilling and his front paw is just like, no, I'm not doing anything to help you. You're not gripping on. So I'm held on to you. He's such a cutie patootie. Yes, you are, old man. Yes, you are my old man. My little old man named Cadbury. Super cute. We're gonna go now. The weather never goes on. Oh. Oopsies, I forgot to end my vlog yesterday. I ended up coming to my friend's house because the weather got nicer, so we came here. Whoopsies, forgot to do that. Bad Jenna. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, my little crafts. Bye.